Hello YouTube! In this tutorial we will learn how to create totally empty array and then how to populate it with new stuff, with new elements using positions. Right, so var temp, that will be name of our blank array. We are creating new array with no elements, and now if we wanna print anything which is here, if we don't have it, let me see what we are going to get here. So document dot write everything in a temp, and there is nothing there. Result will be pretty much nothing. Right, so how to add things here? Well, we will use indexes, positions, and for example at position 0 we are going to add prologue. Okay, and result is prologue, nothing special. Okay, let's proceed with position number 1. We gonna add here Lisp, something fancy, and also we will add at position 2 we'll put here C++, right? And there you go. So here's the question, can we skip kind of these steps from, for example, 2 to 50, and at the place 50 we want to put something? Well, let's see what's up. Temp at position 50 we are going to add Perl. So now what's gonna happen? Well, surprise. See these things? Well, all these things between commas, they are undefined. That basically means that there is no value there. Okay, no value at those places between commas. So can we change that right now? Can we, for example, add something in between? Are we somehow blocked to doing that? Well, no. You can just use position 35 and you can say, what else we have? Java. And now Java will be at position 35, somewhere here. There you go. Okay, so here's the question. Can we have some operation and we will always work at position 0? Can we do that? Now what will be result? Well, result will be Java. Why? Because all these things in the last operations, they will be processed. Everything will be done fine, step by step, but you will not see end result for those steps. The only step that is important is the last step. So no matter how many processing here you have with one index, the last thing that will be used is the last thing inserted. So it's like last in, first out, something like that. So if you say temp and 0, you'll get totally same stuff. If you want to print, for example, temp 5, well, you will get undefined kind of problem because you have not assigned anything, any kind of value to that position. So yeah, that's pretty much easy thing to understand. Nothing really special here. So anyway, you have learned yet another thing about processing based on indexes. As always, thank you for watching and see you next tutorial.